This is 2010 Chevy Traverse. The factory backup cam is on the top. Customer purchased an Android radio. He would like to have video from top to bottom. We're going to show you how to do that. Alright, so what you're going to need is a regular light bulb test light, not a LED one, because what you're doing is if you shoot ground pulse to the cam input, if you find the right wire, it's going to be all distorted. That is the video signal. So that's what we're going to find out by here. The ground somewhere. One lead goes to the ground. The other one, we're going to grab a random wire to see which one is the cam input. If you happen to see the right wire, this video signal will be all distorted. The sync will be out. So let's see. So he's poking one by one to see if he make the distorted picture. No. 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 No.
Nothing?
No. As you can see, if you get the right wire, which happens to be pink wire on this back of it, as you can see the distorted picture by doing that. So that is the video input to the mirror. So we're going to grab that pink wire down to the, let's put the RCA signal. We cut the end of RCA on one end and temporarily shoot that and see if the picture, we may have to change that to lower resolution on this video input. So just touch that. I don't know whether it's a white or black. So just grab one wire to see. You should be able to get the video from it. No. Oh, something happened. Yeah, that's the one. So this is a high resolution cam. So what you do is you change this one by doing this. Then where are you? Open lamp, close lamp. What is this? Let me see. Alright, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to change the settings on the Android radio. Go to the settings, go to the factory settings. It's going to ask for the code. Most of them are 8888. Then hit OK. Then protocol change. Under here, you go to reverse cam resolution settings right here. See, most of them are on AHD, which is a high resolution. This is not AHD, this is NTSC. So you hit the NTSC and go back out. Let me see. Most of them you have to hit save, but we didn't do it. Let me see. See, it works. So once you set the resolution to NTSC, the cam is working. So that is the pink wire on the top monitor. The negative side is a shield, so you can either ground or find the shield wire. We normally just put the ground to it. It works that way.